I would say the obstacle that is probably the hardest thing to overcome is probably also what a lot of people say is what really drove them to be an entrepreneur, and that's being passionate. I really think it can be potentially a hindrance. I think it can truly cloud your judgment. You've got to be realistic when it comes to what your passion is. And I've been thankful to have my wife involved in this and other people in our company. We've got a cause ambassador over here, and Gina Jones and Dave Sartoris, but they keep you grounded. And you really need to have people that are challenging sometimes the love of what you're trying to do. And so in my mind, the obstacle, has been that idea of passion, because it can overwhelm you and it can get you so excited about what you're doing. And we do get excited when we see, somebody come in and donate tickets, and then the next minute we're selling those tickets. And then you go, wait a minute, we only made 10% on that because we gave 90% of it to the charity. We need a lot of scale. And so it's taken us that kind of opportunity to say, you know what, we need a lot of awareness, but the true obstacle has been that passion. And I think we've now learned to certainly harness it.